Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to highlight duplicate values in Excel with different colors. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to highlight duplicate values with different colors. At first, select your datasheet, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu, select the conditional formatting drop down menu, go to highlights and sales rules option, then select the duplicate value option. Then we can see here the duplicate value window. Now I am select the values with drop down menu and we can see here many color. Now I am choose the custom format and we can see here many option. Now I am change the color, make green fill with darker green text, click OK. Then we can see we highlight duplicate value easily. You can change the color again, select the conditional formatting, go to the duplicate value option and change the color. Now I make red text. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.